Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? X power 3 minus x power 2 equals 48. So the first thing we are going to do here is we consider the solutions. So from here, we are going to transfer 48 to this side as we have x power 3 minus x squared minus 48 equals 0. So we have to note that if we have 48 from here, this equals 64 minus 16. So that is 48. Then we break this as x power 3 minus x squared minus open bracket 64 minus 16 equals 0. And by this, we open this parenthesis as we have x cubed minus x squared minus 64 plus 16 equals 0. Then we have 64 here, so which equals, and also we have 16 which equals, so 64 is the same thing as 4 power 3 and 16 is the same thing as 4 power of 2. Okay, so let's replace them. We have x power 3 minus x squared minus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 2 equals 0. Then after considering this, here is x power 3 and here is 4 power 3. So let's combine them. By combining, we have x power 3 minus 4 power 3. So this in bracket. And also we have minus x squared plus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. Then, so from here we have x power of 3 minus 4 power of 3. So in bracket minus. So by taking out minus from here becomes x squared minus 4 squared. This equals 0. So there are two identities we are going to consider from here. Suppose we have m raised to power 3 minus n raised to power 3. So this equals m minus n multiplied by m squared minus mn plus n squared. And also when we have m squared minus n squared, so this equals m minus n multiplied by m plus n. So we consider this two identity. So by trying to apply it here, so what we have here becomes our x is m and n is 4. So using this one, we have x minus 4. So multiply by x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 16, that is 4 squared. And again we have plus, so here is minus open bracket x squared minus 4. So we consider that one as well as x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 4, and everything equals 0. Then from here we have x minus 4 which is common to them. So we have to factor out x minus 4 from here. So by doing that, we have x minus 4 out. Then, so let's divide this one by x minus 4. We have our x squared minus 4x plus 16 minus, also when we divide this one by x minus 4, we have only x plus 4 and all this equals 0. So by writing this one properly, we have this as x minus 4 multiplied by x squared. Here we have minus 4x and here is minus x. So that gives us minus 5x. And here we have 16 minus 4. That is plus 12 equals 0. Then we have x minus 4 equals to 0 and x squared minus 5x plus 12 equals 0. So these are the two things we have. X minus 4 equals 0. And this implies that our x here equals 4. That is the first solution to this. And also from the other part, x squared minus 5x plus 12 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equation. So let's try to provide solution to this as well. So into here we are going to have, so if this is what we have, then from here let's add 25 over 4 to this. We have our x squared minus 5x plus 25 over 4 minus 25 over 4 plus 12 equals 0. Then 25 over 4 is the same thing as 5 squared divided by 2 squared. Then we combine this as x squared minus 5x plus 5 over 2 squared. Then here, let's say we divide this one by 1. So we are going to transfer the whole of this here, and this becomes 25. So we have 25 over 4 minus 12 divided by 1. And then x squared minus 5x plus 5 over 2 squared. This is the same thing as x minus 5 over 2 squared equals, so the LCM here is 4. Then 4 in 4, that is 1. 1 times 25. We have 25 minus 1 in 4, that is 4. Therefore, multiplied by 12, that is 48. Then we have our x minus 5 over 2 raised to power 2 equals, so by subtracting this one from here, we are going to have minus 23 divided by 4. And then let's take the square root of both sides. By squaring both sides, we have this and that square cancelled. And here is x minus 5 over 2 equals plus or minus square root of minus 23 divided by square root of 4. Then we take this one to other side, as we have our x equals 5 over 2 plus or minus, so square root of minus 23 is given as I multiplied by root 23 divided by, and square root of 4 equals 2. So where we can conclude this one as our x equals 5 plus or minus I root 23 divided by 2. And here is the final answer to this, as we get the first x here as our x here equals 4, that is x1, and we also have x2 comma x3. So here are the 3 solutions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.